Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenz on TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 0, Nikagawa 0. I'm joined by the chairman. The chairman. Let me introduce you. Yes. The champion general. Yeah. Travel champion. Go on your knees. Go on your knees. Go on your knees. The general. The general. This is the general. It's a guard of honor. Turn to right, it's a guard of honor. Champion chairman. Champion chairman.
Namhlanje silange bafana.
Yes, chair.
But ivenue silange bafana
Sure.
ya but ivenue kusase big institution.
Yes.
Ya abanye babe ne opportunity yokunyathela lo tshani.
Yeah.
Ngoba bunyathelwa inoma ubani. Abanye bebaqala ukubunyathela. Bafilile. And that was a good idea.
Sure.
Before abafana bahamba bazothasha utshani basemsoda. Babuza ukuthi kanjani bayiprepare.
Bakhothwe
isipoko. Awuthi namhlanje nginama negative nama positive. Angikhulumi ngeteam yami namhlanje. Ngikhuluma ngebafana abafana. Yayibona uthi okay, eyokuqala ma-out asifundiseni ingcosi zethu. Bengida estadium bekugcwele intwana zeyigele. Yabona lento lenifundisa into ingcosi zenu ukuthi zenze iminwe so. Ingcosi zenu zisasesigele zidlala idiski lasesigele. Sasa zizoya ku-pro side. After pro side zizoya kulokhuzana ku-squad. Bazozirolela imini. And angeke kube mnandi. Yabona uthi so le intwana lezi asisigobe zisemanzi. Ningafundisi ingcosi zenu nibuhlabile. Nifundisa into eziro. Mele sikhipha ama-minus awuthiyami. Le national team. Number two, Makhosi yekelana ukudivide ikhanda. Uyabona no cross ifandaki. Le lokhuzana ilokhuzana i-treatment la itholile is because of Makhosi. The whole 11 engene first half na second half bengashayelwa ama-flat. Babeqala abashayela iflat eli-1 they turn the whole stadium. Now seba to cross makephethe ibhola. And ucross out yam ethi ngukutshela. It's a first call out. Ne yale yantwana. If we destroy no, uyayibulala. And siya prepare, khumbula ukuthi no siya prepare, siya ku welcome. So compete. Sinida yonke le team le. Yabona uthi mawungalaza awulazi. And mawulibona uyalibona. You understand? Because the intwana lezi ngiyezwa nje country divided ama defender in leza ngeke ngize ngingena kakhulu. Yabona ngizokuqalela ku squad asikhethile umzali. Wena uthi mina angeke ngikutshela ukuthi bekumele akhiphe bani afake bani kule ya 25 yakhe. Mina ngizothi kube bekuyi30 bengizomtshela ukuthi yipi 5 ayishiye. Hayi kule ya 25 if bekuyi30 bengizomtshela. Kweyami 5 esela uthami kunenye intwana ikhona uku-attack ngeside, ikhona uku-attack ingena phakathi esigubhini iqhamuka igijima. Alright inokwashaya ama-flop ngokuthi shaya amabhola phezulu, but ngiyakutshela uthami kube bekumele ngi-ede mina uMethusi bengizom-eda just ukuthi ngiyobaphazamisa ngespeed. I know ukuthi intwana zikhona ezingaphazamisa ulokhuzana emuva kube bengisayeda 5 uCupido bengizomncane bengizovaya naye ulokhuzana yena usiyema bengizomncanda because ngiyazi ukuthi uke wadlala nombukazi bayafrostanana ukuthi badlale eteamini uyayibona right wena uthi sengikhuluma nje angithi ebekumele bangene baphume ngithi bengizoba eda bangabe besikhona isikhathi sok-eda so manje sithiba into ekumele siyenze mfethu kumele sifundisane yona ukuthi makuyi-squad kumele sihlangane sibe yi-squad sibe imbumba mina lento la abayikhalelayo abafethu especially nabe bebacula ingoma zaseMexico khona bebacula ingoma zaseMexico
amakhosi mina ngizoyini
right angeke bona baze bagugula nezinamba zaseMexico but ke lokho
ashane esking
lokho Sithibo lokho akusihluphi awuthiyami but manje ezinye izinto zibheke mangabheka ama-player adlale ngawo umadala today ama-player okuwukuthi akusama-regular player wakhe bekashaya i-testing yakhe ukuthi mangifika phambili ngiba ne-flop le-player eliso ngizokwazi ukuthi ngireplace ngaliphi i-player ukuthi ngikwazi ukudlala njengoba ubona Vandag abantu abalahlelile akusama-regular uyabona naku-goalkeeper akavimbanga urayide nguWilliams kuvimbe labo goal abayi-2 uyacheka no isikhathi asisekho phela from me belavaye asithi-ke siyafika la ulokhuzana unumber 1 wethu uthole inoko kumele enzeni kumele abafunde kuqala no uzoba ne-reference ukuthi amani esigodini before suka ke kwenzeka so ngakhona ukuthi ngihlanganise yabona so bafethu sometimes umuntu umgayene enza into zakhe nyamazi lo amadala unamaflop akhe akekho 100 njengawo wonke amacoach yabona but manje la isikhona uthiyami no la isikhona ukuthi sihlangane sibe sure ukuthi sisupporta le ntwana lezi sifuna ukuthi le ntwana lezi zisibuyele na something uyangandastand awuthiyami le nto leyo ukuthi soloku sibuka le ntwana senzani awuthiyami kumele sishintshe but-ke yabona Sithibo mfana le ntwana le Sundowns lebe bayilonile uMaseko umshini le
number 12
umshini le ntwana leyana sodla abantu ngayo laphaya and then ke ngitshela uShiko Bhala sengivala awuthiyami usanaye enye 2 season enyaweni zakhe qinisa ntwana uliphushe ntwana
ngibuya eWar School de Adela Rodiport. I'm a teacher there. I'm also a coach there. So tomorrow our girls, first team girls, bahamba bayodlala iJohannesburg West Winter Games. But win a league for the 3rd time in a row. So I would like Uguti Uche wish those girls because they've been working so hard over the years. In fact, we started 6 years ago. Itimi Amantomazano War School de Adela. Guess who's the coach? The first lady I made captain, Una lady, and she's doing a brilliant job. I want to say shout out to the principal who gave us a shot, Mr. Lowry. I want to say shout out to my first coordinator, Mr. Cooper. I want to say shout out to all of my fellow coaches, Mr. Shandugani, Mr. Petluwayo, Mr. Chabu. And then please, Chair, bengicela uba wishele nje good luck labantwana. Yeah, sure, Chair.
Sithibo ngibonge opportunity mfethu I'm honored. Uthisha wethu lo khulumayo uthisha waseTortorin lami uthisha weigele esigele zingcosi zami so angeke nithi nginike opportunity njengale ngingayisebenzisi mfethu ngibafisela inhlanhla ukuthi baqhubeke and Sithibo ekuzimiseleni kwabo bangaphela umoya sasa sizobe sibabona kubombanyana banyana into engiyithandayo ukuthi mfethu liyaphakamiswa ibhola laseGaza and especially labantu besifazane ngoba alinakwanga wena mfethu so masithola kunothisha olugcugcuzelayo ibhola labantu besifazane ukuthi lifike kulezinga elikhulu kumele mfethu sizame nathi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sisupporte mina ngikhona ke menerifi mhlambe khona la ngidinga khona ngebet yami zami ukuthi nami ngizofaka isandla la ngibona
Nishulile ne West Ridge. West Ridge.